In this video, I'll be talking about supply. So supply is proportional to the price. What that means is when the price increases, firms have more incentive to supply a product. But when the price decreases, firms have less incentive to supply a product. This is the supply curve, and it shows the relationship between the supply and price of a product. Supply is the willingness and ability to sell a product. Market supply is the total supply of a product. Now let's look at the effect of price changes on supply. So extension in supply is an increase in quantity supplied caused by a rise in the price of a product. Contraction in supply is a decrease in quantity supplied caused by a fall in the price of a product. So here's a graph to summarize what I just explained. As you can see, when the price increases, there is extension in supply, and when the price decreases, there is a contraction in supply. Now let's look at changes in supply. So changes in supply is changes in supply conditions causing shifts in the supply curve. So first is increase in supply, and this is a rise in supply at any given price due to the changes in supply conditions. This causes the curve to shift to the right. And then we have a decrease in supply, and this is a fall in supply at any given price due to the changes in supply conditions. This would cause the supply curve to shift to the left. Finally, let's look at the conditions affecting the supply. First, we have cost of production, improvements in technology, taxes and subsidies, weather conditions, prices of other products, disasters and wars, depletions of resources, and last but not least, discoveries of new resources.